If you're one of those people like me who enjoys spending time outdoors, you've probably learned that gardening is, well, very therapeutic. That phrase is used a lot, but it really is, I think, stimulating for the mind, good for the soul. But if you don't have the right tools and approach it, it can be a little hard on the body. One of the things I constantly have to remind myself of is when I go into the garden, I need to go in with the tools that I need to get the job done. Now, for instance here, I'm making sure that all my blackberries are lining up on this nice wire that I've got here. In order to do that and to avoid all these thorns these gloves come in mighty handy. Also, it's worth noting that when I am working with things like this that'll cause cuts or abrasions or irritations from plants, wearing a long sleeve shirt can also help. And then there's safety goggles and sturdy shoes, which I consider a must, especially when you're using heavy equipment. And make it easy on your bones and muscles. If you have arthritis or get sore easily, use tools that are easy to grasp and fit your ability. I also like to have a knee pad or a seat if I'm going to be working down low for long periods of time. Also, combat bugs and the chance of skin cancer by wearing bug spray and sunscreen. And of course, remember to stay hydrated, especially when spending extended time outdoors in the high heat. After all, it's fun to grow things, but when you're out there in the garden, make sure that you're taking care of yourself. After all, you can come up with solutions like this that make it easy. It's child's play, right?